Hi guys, I'm back at it. Another nice, beautiful Sunday afternoon, and actually just gonna be fishing. Jump right into it. Oh my gosh, right off the bat, on this stupid hot water. Right off the bat, we're just gonna be fishing. Starting off with a green pumpkin chatterbait. Let's see, beautiful. This is not a small one. This is a standard 3/8 ounce chatterbait. There. Oh, that's a giant. Holy crap. Oh, let's go. Slow rolling that chatterbait, guys. That's what did it. Look at that dude. Oh my gosh. Come here, buddy. Come here. Really hurt me with those little gripper plates. Wow, look at that. That's how he ate it. Let's go. Guys, the chatterbait in the autumn time is really a great bait. Look at that sucker. Wow. Look at that dude. Giant. Oh, I didn't bring a scale. I'd say, whew, he's about a really close to 4. He's a giant. All right, let's let you go. Don't want to hold you out too long. There he goes. Whew, look at that. Oh, that was really nice. Wow. So in case you didn't know, what happened was lately I've been reeling it really fast, I mean, not really fast, but I mean, I've been steady pacing it, and with this chatterbait so far, and I've only been fishing for like what 7 minutes, and with this chatterbait here, and what I did was I just casted, not like that, but like paralleled that grass over there, actually, and I didn't reel it fast. I actually did this and slow rolled it. And slow rolling that chatterbait, I said, okay, I'm not getting hardly any bites doing this, so probably what I'm gonna do is just slow roll it. So that's what I did, and sure enough, he was waiting. Oh my goodness. That is great. I'm just realizing that, like, wow, I caught that on camera. Dang, stepping up. Because the other one was bigger than that, actually, yesterday. He was actually bigger, and wow, what a fish. It's beautiful on that chatterbait. Wow. First one of the day is a giant. I'm going to slow roll it there, too. See what happens. And so I was slow rolling, just feeling the thump with this chatterbait, and boom, he just Look at that, right there. Oh, it's another nice one. Is it? Yeah, it is. Look at that. He was right by that grass. Wow, this is a pounder right here. The chatterbait is putting in the work. My goodness. That was really quick. I just casted there, actually. Whew, look at that. You're beautiful. Little 1 pound guy. Actually getting some size with the bigger chatterbait. Wow. He nailed it, like, when it was by that stick. I thought, wow, I just got hung on the stick. At first, like, he hit it, and I was like, oh, that feels like a fish. Then it was right by the stick, so I was like, oh, wait, that's not a fish. I'm just on that stick. Then once he got out, it started going. I was like, oh, it is. Then, like, I'd already set the hook, so kind of got him pre-hand. So, yeah, he wasn't going nowhere. This hook on this chatterbait, the chatterbait actually comes with a really stout hook. I cannot complain about that, actually. Not been a fish, actually. I'm sorry. Might have been a stick. Can never really tell. Look at that skip. That was beautiful. Went over that stick. I love skipping. Maybe I'll make a video on skipping one day. But really, to be honest with you, why I haven't so far, like, I really like skipping, but I have this feeling that I'm not the greatest qualified to teach you guys how to skip because I'm not that great at it, maybe. Like, I'm really not, but I don't know. Leave in the comments if you want me to teach you how to skip. Look at there. He hit it on top of the water. Did you guys hear that? Stay down. It's not a bad fish, but hey. It's about another, maybe a pound. You might be right dead close at a pound. Look at how he ate that sucker. Whew, nice little fish. Be free. He actually took my trailer. Yeah, how dare you? Or maybe it flew off, but I think he took it, actually. This bait will now produce masses and masses of more vibration. Like that. And hook it like a chunk. Like that. Just like that. Yeah, I'm really savoring this trailer. It's so bad. Me just having a bad trailer in the beginning. Which that other beaver... Oh, that's a... Jeez! That's a giant! I seen him come up and eat it. Oh! Look at there! Look at that! Oh, you're a solid 3, of course, but... Dang! Wow! Okay. I'll take you all day, buddy. Did you bend the hook out? Is mainly what I want to see. I actually want to see if you bent my hook. If you did, oh well, but, I mean, shoot. It's a big fish. I think he did as well. Come on. Actually, I fought him really well. Oh, he didn't as much. Oh, well. I actually fought him really well. Ooh, another beauty. This chatterbait is putting in the work. So, I actually looked down and saw like something, and then when I looked back up to like see how close I was from reeling him in, I just noticed like, oh, something swiped at my bait. I just seen his mouth. Oh, be free. Beautiful.